how to remove your primary Gmail in your Facebook account. In this video, you will learn the 5 easy steps on how to change your Gmail in your Facebook account. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete screen record and the step-by-step guide on how to change or remove your email address on your account here on Facebook. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Here is a step-by-step guide on how to add or remove an email address on your Facebook account. Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to add or how to remove your Gmail account on Facebook. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.